Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Erica and in today's video I am talking all about Shapermint. They sent me a box so that I can share with you all of their staple items for this holiday season. Black Friday is around the corner, Cyber Monday, and they are going to be having some amazing sales that you really should take advantage of. I know during this time we usually shop for others and leave ourselves out, but that is not what we should be doing this holiday season. We need to feel beautiful and comfortable in our own skin, and Shapermint is here to help. As I mentioned, Shapermint sent me a few of their staple items to share with you today, and they are here in this box. So I'm going to be unboxing this and sharing those items with you in this video. I have opened this box because I had a little emergency and there was something in this box that I really needed, and I'll talk to you about that in just a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box, and inside of this box are a few goodies that they sent me, as I mentioned to you. Everything that they sent me was individually packaged, and I love that about Shapermint. These bags can also be reusable because they do zip up, and they're pretty good quality, so you can definitely reuse these to travel or to put your items back in here if you want to take really good care of them. But the first thing that they sent me is the Daily Comfort Wire-Free Shaper Bra, and I had to open my box early because I'm traveling and I forgot to bring a bra, so luckily Shapermint saved my life. I'm using one of their bras right now. I had to open the box. I knew what was in there and I definitely needed the bra. I'm wearing the black bra right now and I love these bras. I've talked about this in my previous videos, how much I love these bras, and I actually got a 3-pack in these bras, so let me go ahead and show you the other colors that I got. You can order your Shapermint bras and undergarments in bundles, and so I got the 3-pack bundle of bras, and I got the black bra, which I have on. I have a white one and then the nude one. I feel like you can save a ton of money by bundling. The bundle, I believe, costs about $53. That puts it at about $17 a bra, and if you use the 20% off code that I have available to you, that price will go down to about $14 a bra if you buy in a bundle. The nice thing about buying in a bundle is that you have everything that you need. You have your white bra, you have your black bra, and then your nude bra. So I am all set. These bras are amazing. The reason why I like these bras is because they are so comfortable. They do not have wire. This is a size large if you're wondering. They do not have any underwire, but they still provide a ton of support. They're also full coverage, which I really appreciate because I do like to wear a full coverage bra. The padding of the bra is also sewn in, so you don't have to worry about losing it in the wash. I know that happens to me and to my daughter all the time with other types of bras. I also appreciate that the strap is thick. In other bras that I've worn, they always fall off my shoulder. That does not happen with Shapermint bras. They stay put, and I'm not having to worry about pulling them up. I think my shoulders are a little narrow, so I don't know if any of you have that problem, but if you wear a Shapermint bra, you definitely will not have that problem. Another thing that I love about Shapermint is they provide you with the extender. So if for any reason the bra needs to be extended, you have your extender here ready to go. You don't have to go out and buy one, and you can wear your bra immediately. As a matter of fact, to the bra that I have on right now, I did have to use the extender, and I really loved that it was just there, handy, ready to go, ready for me to use. So I definitely recommend these bras. They're so comfortable. Definitely do have a ton of support if that's something that you're wondering about. I love my bra. I sleep with it. It's that comfortable that you can sleep with it. You can have it on 24/7 if you want to, and it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It really feels like you're wearing a pajama. The next thing that they sent me in this box is the high-waisted Shaper Panty. So I picked them in the color nude. I have a black pair already, so I wanted to have a nude pair as well. And I love these underwear too. One of the design features that I love about Shapermint is that they incorporate the use of this silicone band in their undergarments and in their leggings, and so this keeps it from rolling down. So if any of you have experienced that, you know how uncomfortable that can be to sit, get up, and then have to pull up your undergarments or whatever it is you're wearing underneath your clothing. That will not happen with Shapermint underwear. The nice thing about the undergarments is that they are completely hidden. Nobody will know that you have them on, just yourself. And maybe even you won't know you have them on because they are so comfortable. They don't feel like they're sucking you in and you can't breathe and you can't move. They also have no sound. I've worn some shapewear that sounds like I have a plastic bag on. This is not like that. This has no sound whatsoever. It's very quiet and it feels amazing on. You won't even know you have it on. You can wear this with pretty much anything: shorts, dresses, pants, leggings, anything. It's just like a regular pair of underwear. It just has a ton of tummy control, and that is something that I really appreciate being a C-section mama. If you're a C-section mama, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. The next thing that I got in my box are the high-waisted Shaper boy shorts. I talked about this in my last review, and I love the boy shorts a little more than the biker shorts. I love them because you definitely can wear them alone. They're not too short to where you couldn't wear them out in public, but they're also nice and comfy to wear around the house, to lounge, to look cute for your husband, for your boyfriend, whatever it is. But they're so awesome. I love them. Here they are. So here they are. I absolutely love these. I love everything. You're going to hear me say that a lot because I really do love everything that I've tried from Shapermint. But these are the shorts here. It also has the silicone band here on the top, so they're definitely not going to be rolling down. They're going to stay put. The high-waisted clothing that I've tried, it goes about to underneath my bra strap. I really like that because it smooths out my entire midsection, which after having 2 kids by C-section, I really need. So this gives me a lot of confidence in knowing that, you know, I'm gonna look a little slimmer. Everything's gonna be where it's supposed to be. And all of that is achieved by just wearing shapewear. You have to wear the right shapewear, and Shapermint is amazing. I can't stress that enough. So these are the boy shorts, and they're so cute. I really, really love them. You can wear these under shorts. You can wear these alone. You can wear these under dresses. However it is you want to wear them, they're very versatile. The last thing that I got are the high-waisted shaping leggings. These are one of Shapermint's best sellers, and I do love their leggings, I have to say. I have them in black, but I wanted to try them in a different color, and I just gave you a sneak peek of that. I wanted to try them in a different color because they do have various colors that you can choose from. So I got them in this olive green color. I wanted to try something different. Normally, I gravitate towards black for everything, but I felt like I needed to step out of my comfort zone and try something different. And so this green is the color that I got. These are high-waisted, and they go up to about underneath your bra strap. And they also have the silicone band, so no rolling down, which is amazing. And there's something new that I discovered about Shapermint leggings and their shorts: the design. There's something in the design that I really have to talk about because it's amazing. It's genius. When I first wore these leggings, I was a little taken back by the cut. I thought it was different. I wasn't sure if I liked it or not, but I do. I love it. It's genius, and I'm going to tell you why. When you look at Shapermint leggings, the cut is different. I don't know if you can see it. It's different here in the mid area. Why is this a genius design? Well, I'm gonna say this. The reason why this design is genius is because it prevents it from riding up in your front area, also known as camel toe. And I can't believe I'm saying this on camera, but it's the truth. It prevents you from getting camel toe. And I've had a couple of friends on Instagram ask about leggings and what are the best leggings to prevent this problem from happening, and I have to 100% say Shapermint leggings and shorts will definitely not do that because of the design. It's rounded in the front, 100% prevents that from happening. I'm conscious of that, and I noticed that when I wore them over the weekend. that is something that will not happen. So if you're somebody that's looking for leggings that don't ride up in that front midsection, then Shapermint leggings are definitely something you want to invest in. So I'm really excited to use Shapermint in my wardrobe this winter to make it warm and cozy. And that's the beauty about Shapermint, is that it can be whatever it is you want it to be. It fits into your lifestyle. Whatever your lifestyle is, if you're a working woman, if you are a stay-at-home mom, if you are going out on a date, going to a wedding, just lounging at home, Shapermint works for any of those moments, and that's what I love about Shapermint the most. I'm going to be showing you how I plan on styling a couple of these pieces for Thanksgiving. This is our first Thanksgiving in a long while, where we're actually going to get dressed up and be with family. So I'm really excited about that. And the other thing that I'm excited about is just getting to wear my Shapermint and feeling good and comfortable in my skin. And that is what I love the most about Shapermint, is that it definitely will give you an extra boost of confidence, and we all need that in our lives. So now I'm going to get into the fun part and show you how I would style these Shapermint staples. So there you go, that's how easy it is to style Shapermint staples. I really hope that you'll take advantage of all of the sales that Shapermint is going to be having, as well as my discount code. Those bundled together will give you a ton of savings, and you will not be disappointed. I love Shapermint, and that's the reason I come on here and talk about it time after time, is because it's something that I truly believe in. I love what it can do for women, just make you feel happier and confident with your own body. And there's nothing greater than that. So if I can help one person out there feel as amazing as I do when I wear this shapewear, then my job is done. I'm happy. So I'm going to go ahead and link that code down below in my description box. I really hope that you'll check it out and take advantage of all of the amazing deals going on this holiday season. If you have any questions for me, please leave them down below. I'd be happy to answer them for you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.